I always love it when we have Kelly Callaway from Those Callaways come down because we get to hear about some fantastic homes. What do you have for us today?
I have an amazing home today. This home is in Mesa. It's 34 square feet.
Oh, nice.
A 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with too many upgrades to even talk about on this show.
Really?
But it's got a 59-foot RV gate. It's got a 3-car garage with epoxy floors, built-in cabinets. It has an entertainer's backyard with a beach entry pebble saltwater play pool.
Okay.
Rock waterfall.
Oh my goodness.
Dining Ramada with flagstone flooring. It's absolutely amazing.
It sounds gorgeous.
It is absolutely stunning. It's got grass front and back with desert landscaping around it. It's an amazing home.
Okay, and then of course, what's the price for this home?
This one is $675,000.
That's awesome.
It's an amazing house, 12-foot ceilings in it. I mean, an entertainer's dream kitchen.
Oh, definitely.
For the money,
Okay, and as we
absolutely.
know, this one's gonna go really fast, so
Yes.
people need to jump on that if they're interested, and as always, if this isn't the home for them, I know you can help them with something else.
We would love to.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Tiffany.